Hello everyone, my name is Govardhan Megwal. Uh, I am student of Jawaharlal Nehru Krishi Vishwavidyalay, Jabalpur, College of Agriculture, Diva. Today I discussing about the topic uh, IPR issues in commercial plant breeding under the guidance of Dr. R.P. Joshi, sir. IPR issues in commercial plant breeding. Intellectual property rights. IPR play a crucial role in protecting the interests of plants breeders and seed companies in the context of commercial plant breeding and the seed industry. Number one, patenting of biological innovations. Advances in biotechnology have led to the development of genetically modified crops. Pretending such as innovations can give companies exclusive control over specific genes or genetic modification, potentially restricting access to genetic resources, access and benefit sharing. The commercial utilization of genetic resources or from developing countries has raised concerns about equitable sharing of benefits with the communities providing those resources. Third, farm rights. Farmer rights, balancing IPR protection with the rights of farmer to save, exchange, and sale seed is a challenge. Some argue that IPR can restrict farmers' traditional practices of seed saving and seed sharing. Fourth point, ethical concerns. There are ethical debates regarding the patenting of life forms and the potential implications on food security, biodiversity, and socio-economic aspects. Fifth, access to genetic resources. IPR may limit access to genetic resources, especially uh, for small-scale farmer or researcher in developing countries, potentially hindering the development of region-specific cultivars. Important of IPR in commercial plant breeding. Number one, encouraging innovations. IPR protection encourages plant breeder and seed companies to invest in research and development to create new improvement varieties with desirable traits. Technology transfer. uh, Licensing agreements and patent protection facilitate technology transfer, allowing small companies or farmers to access and utilize advanced breeding technologies. Quality control. IPR promotes quality control in seed production and distribution, ensuring that farmers receive genuine and high quality seeds. Importance of IPR in commercial plant breeding. IPR issues in commercial plant breeding are crucial for balancing the interests of breeders, seed companies, and farmer. While IPR protection encourages innovation and investment in the seed industry, there is an ongoing need to address challenges related to access to genetic resources, biopiracy, and seed affordability. Registration of varieties under PV and FR Act application submission. The first step is to submit an application for registration of the plant variety to the registrar of plant varieties. The application should include relevant information about the variety, its characteristics, and the breeder details. Distinctness, uniformity, and stability. DUS testing. If the application meets the preliminary requirements, DUS testing is conducted to assess the distinctness, uniformity, and stability of the variety. Trained experts evaluate the candidate variety against references varieties to ensure its uh, uniqueness and other characteristics. Farmers' rights. The PV and FR Act also recognized and protects the right of farmers who have conserved and developed traditional plant varieties. It aims to ensure that farmer contributes to plants variety are acknowledged and protected. Benefits of registration. Protections of breeders' right. Registrations offers legal protection to the breeder investment in developing the new varieties, ensuring that other cannot commercialize it without permission. incentive for innovations by granting exclusive rights. Registration encourages the plant breeders and seed companies to invest in research and development to create new and improved varieties. Quality assurance registered varieties undergo rigorous evaluation, providing farmer with the assurance of receiving genuine and high quality seeds. Thank you.